Hey, this is Russell Smith with Computer Science 2100, and I'm explaining the code I wrote for Problem 5 of the final exam. So the solution to the problem involves extending the given character class to create a new class called aset that supports the required functionality for the set-like structure. The original problem asked for a class that could insert elements, remove them, and check if an element was in the set. We started with the given character class, which holds hashable objects and tracks their occurrences using a dictionary called vals. The dictionary is initialized as empty, and the insert method increments the count of an element each time it is added. The string method formats the container for easy output, showing the elements and their counts. So in the aset class, I added the remove and is in methods to meet the specific requirements of the problem. The remove method sets the count of an element to 0 when it is removed from the set, effectively deleting it. It checks if the element exists in the self.vals before attempting to remove it, using the line if e in self.vals to ensure we don't attempt to modify an element that isn't in the set. The isIn method returns true if the element exists and has been inserted without being removed, as indicated by the condition return self.vals.get here, where it looks for the elements in self.vals and defaults to 0 if not found. Then I wrote a little test script here. It demonstrates that the aset class correctly handles the operations specified in the original problem. First, elements are inserted into the set using insert. Then we test the remove method by removing an element that was inserted and an element that was not present, showing that only the inserted element is affected. Finally, the isIn method is tested by checking if the elements are present after insertion and removal. The output confirms that the method works as expected here, with the set displaying the correct state and membership checks returning the unexpected results. And that's it. I'll clear this so we can run it. And there you go. So once again, this was Russell Smith with Computer Science 2100, and I was explaining the code I did for Problem 5 of the coding part of the final exam. Thanks.